Well, Bronny X. Watching these guys beat the crap out of each other in Mario Kart racing.
I almost made it. I almost jumped all
That
the way
would
down.
be the greatest. If you could jump that and land just straight.
Who chose this map?
I did.
Which one of you was the winner?
I was.
Devin.
Chose it.
Why is Devin always the winner?
F that.
Hey, Hayden.
So,
You cool?
Cocaine, crack cocaine.
Now let's see if they're ever going to choose different characters. One can't be faster than the other,
that's exactly how it works.
but not.
But it is.
Well, guys, I just finished playing Mario Kart with these guys, but apparently somebody didn't train me how to use a PS4 controller.
Okay. First of
all,
we're playing a Switch. That's the first thing.
It's debatable that you played Mario Kart.
Secondly,
Secondly, that was the Switch.
you reversed off the starting line, which was gold, but
Because the A is supposed to be where B is. I mean, Bronny X, look at this. I'm not used to the PS4. I'm used to the Xbox One. This should be here.
it's a Switch. That's why it's called a Switch.
That is not how I'm used to. I mean, in my world, X should be on the right here, and Y should be up here. They got this whole thing messed up. Like it's reversed, and I thought I was hitting this to thinking I was pressing to start the game, when in fact it was asking me, do I want to quit? And the more I hit this, it asked it, and I was supposed to hit this. This is...
No, I played a little.
Hey.
That's what happened.
Dang it! I put an 8 down. Oh my golly! I wasn't listening, okay? I had all 8.
I can tell.
Alright, is that it?
That's it.
I'm doing it.
Okay.
Don't you ever touch it
Lose the
again.
tude.
Cut. I mean, Kim.
Cut, I mean, Kim. He cut himself. He cut.
No.
Kim.
But not.
But no.
Come on.
Jack.
Anybody have an
Why'd you
ace?
get mad? Why'd you look disappointed when I took that jack?
I was waiting on
Who,
it.
me? Yeah. I didn't know. You looked very disappointed. I'm not doing it.
Read them and weep, suckers.
Kim. Cut, not cut. Okay, just Kim.
Johnson, the other day, when you showed Taylor, we were all cracking him in the group chat.
Oh, yeah.
Because he acted like he was working.
You may shuffle. You may shuffle.
Hey, what's that one? There was a specific way to give.
And now Broniacs, we're on to poker.
I'm like, I won't match you. You know I got it.
I am about to fail you, Broniacs, because I am not really the master of poker. You're about to see me mess up in the most horrible way possible in the history of games. Or better yet, I'm going to cut this part out right here.
Gonna be flip.
Yeah.
Stakes are Stakes are high.
Call one in. Let's go.
So now we've won for us.
Oh,
Playing
shoot.
pussy.
Oh, shoot.
I am not. With the socks. Check.
It's my job.
Bull crap.
Well, if you play with your socks off, then
Check.
They both check.
oh, check.
Their
Thank God.
pansies.
What do you do, Noah?
I just check.
Oh. We might as well go around and say check.
He's folded.
I made him
You don't.
fold.
You didn't even
I'm
look at
gonna
your
check.
cards. Did you even look at your
Wait.
cards, Hayden?
Yep.
Czechoslovakia.
Yeah, I'm gonna check.
Oh, we went to Arby's the other night.
I'm getting money.
All right. So you're ready to show us a magic trick?
Yeah. Pick a card.
I am choosing this card.
Are you going to bed?
Thanks to my backup.
Put it back in there and shuffle it.
Hey, Devin, cute, shovel this for me, please. I can't while I'm
Sad
filming.
shuffle.
Every day I'm shuffling.
Is that mine?
Bow.
No.
Guys,
They're not. I hate you.
Broniac Savannah here is gonna try to blow my mind, see if I got this card right, and if she guesses right,
Are you gonna pay me?
I don't know what I'm gonna do.
You gonna pay me?
Okay. My card is in this stack, number 3.
One, two, or three.
Third.
You're sure?
Yes. Third.
Oh. Drop cards. Give me a second.
Uh-oh. Drop the cards.
Put them back up. Okay. Point to 2 stacks.
Okay. This stack, that stack.
1 stack.
This one.
2 cards.
I picked this card, that card. And this one.
Is that your card?
That is my card.
Yay.
Oh my gosh, that always blows my mind. Well, guys, it looks like everyone's packing in for the night.
Hey, you see me? Hayden? Say he's taking me home. Yeah, that's
Yeah,
what you mean.
I'll take Devin home. Everybody's packing it in for the night, and it's about to call in a close for this vlog as well. Well, guys, since we're gonna call it a night, I guess it's time for me to close this vlog. I hope you enjoyed this vlog. It has been great to let some stress off my chest, hanging with my best friends here. It really means a lot to me. And stay tuned for future videos. I don't know how I'm gonna continue with what's going on lately, but I'm gonna keep getting to the bottom of what's going on. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Drop a like on this video, subscribe to my channel, and as usual, until then,
Stay brawny.
you heard it. Well, dude, I appreciate you inviting me and taking the time to be in the vlog.
Mm-hmm. You're welcome.
That was quite a party, right? We got to play some amazing games, and everybody was joking around and talking a lot.
Mm-hmm. Well, they better be talking soon. There might be some consequences.